What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I'm your host, Greg Wave. I'm going to do my little spiel again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content. I was saying in the last video that there was going to be a lot more content being released, and there is. So make sure you stay tuned because there's some very interesting topics coming up. Today I'm going to be talking about Uber or Lyft, which is better. This will probably be a short video because this is actually a very easy answer. 9 out of 10 times, I feel like Uber is indefinitely better. With Lyft, what I've always seen, so I've generally run both apps, and I will always say run both apps because you're going to have Uber filling in for hours where Lyft is slow, and you're going to have Lyft filling in for hours where Uber's slow. Just makes a nice, cohesive, flowing day, and you're getting more constant rides. And yeah, it's just kind of all around better. So back in the day, people used to say Lyft was better because they allowed in-app tipping. Now Uber does. I mean, the honest truth is both apps, I feel like, are pretty much the same now. I think they have different surge rules, but other than that, you know, they're pretty much identical apps. I think Uber just has way more traffic. You get way more rides. I've driven in 3 different states now, and every single state it's been the same story. Uber has pretty much dominated that market. I will say here in the Phoenix market, Lyft definitely is a little more poppin' than the other areas I drove. I still see Uber as, you know, the main one, and I think it is kind of always going to be, you know, it started earlier. It had way more of a customer base. So you're generally going to always get more Uber rides. Pretty much anywhere you go, anywhere you drive, it's probably going to be at least 80% easier to get an Uber ride than a Lyft ride. Some days Lyft will just be popping off the app and you're just getting rides left and right. But for the most part, Uber is always going to be better. Now, I know for a lot of people, it comes down to just preferences. I've had a lot of people tell me that they think Uber is sketchy, so they won't drive for Uber. I've had a lot of passengers tell me they only take Lyft because they think Uber's sketchy, and I've never really heard anything negative about Lyft. I will say that. Lyft has always kind of seemed to have a better respect in the public eye as far as like being a decent company, whereas we've all heard really bad things about Uber. They're pretty much facing a lawsuit every other week about something. So it has always seemed like there's been really fishy stuff going on with Uber, but my thing is at the end of the day, it's like we're all pawns in this equation, you know? And so I don't look at the issues as a big deal. I'm not going to not drive for Uber because of some of the stuff going on. I'm an independent contractor. I can't literally change anything. Hypothetically, if we all stopped driving Uber, you know, then maybe it would all go to Lyft and the world would be better. But like, let's be honest, that's not real and it's not going to happen. So yeah, I'm pretty much just going to leave this video at that, guys. At the end of the day, if I told you if you had to choose one and you don't have any moral obligations, go with Uber. If you do have moral obligations, like, I absolutely won't hold that against you. I don't really think the world of Uber, you know, to be honest, they've ticked me off a lot in the past. But I still drive for them, you know, it doesn't change my day. So I will always say go Uber on this route. I will say I like Lyft better as a company. I like them much better as a company. But, you know, money's calling. So I got to cater to that. But yeah, guys, this was a shorter video for y'all today. But like I said, easier video. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Like I was saying earlier, there's a lot more videos coming soon. And go make some killer money today, guys.